hopefully we're ready to make this recovery happen.
You know what? Expect something to break, really.
Look out!
Warming up good, melting this stuff.
Just gotta look at the railroad track here.
On the east side of the valley,
It'll be like a dinosaur wrestling match, man against machine.
Al Quiring heads into another off-road battle.
A little bit bigger than your average tow truck recovery job.
He's been called to a mine where a massive machine is in deep trouble.
It's not something you're just gonna hook on and pull out.
How's things look here?
The heavyweight excavator slid down a bank and was swallowed by a mud hole. Al has brought in his wrecker and 2 D9 dozers to wrestle the giant.
Hope you guys had pancakes this morning.
But on this job, he'll need something more.
The quarry owner has a Cat 345 excavator.
Swing it over here, and then we'll get into some anaconda wrestling.
In addition to our own crew, I've got a labor crew from the mining company that's going to help out with some of the grunt work and operate their excavator.
Well, this is going to go right around.
Al's dozers and the extra excavator will be rigged to the 70-ton casualty. Then all 3 will try to pull it out of the pit. Al's brought a well-used piece of heavy-duty rigging into battle.
I'll back my wrecker in here, throw a block on the line. I'll anchor that.
Al will use his 60,000-pound heavy wrecker
Take one line out.
to act as deadweight and anchor the extra digger helping on the pull.
Okay, this will go into the shackle. This will come back to a big green. Okay. Our 911 phone is right there.
But moments before the recovery begins,
That's not gonna work.
a worker at the mine questions Al's plan.
Don't you think you guys start walking with them?
No, we're gonna winch with it.
That's stupid.
It's hard when you come into a site and somebody wants to get involved and tell you need to do this and do that.
You never run a winch cat ever? I'll tell you.
I use lots of dozers to haul out lots of holes, I'll tell you that. It's been 13 years in the oil sands.
At about 30% with the winch.
Yeah, but if they're walking and winching.
Trust me, you're in the dentist seat.
This fella's got in his mind what we should be doing. We're sticking with plan A.
Don't try and pull it, because we're pulling down here. I just want you to lift. Good to go? Okay. She's coming. Keep going. Pull!
Look out!
Keep pulling. Keep pulling. She's coming.
Look out!
So you're pulling along and then all of a sudden,
Dig it out a bit.
Something underneath the gravel and mud is blocking the escape route.
You've got to check what's in the ground in front of that machine.
Get over here a bit more too.
A machine operator needs to dig out the problem. 10 feet in front of the bogged down target,
Throw that rock way away.
they unearth a 1,000-pound boulder that stands in the way.
Oh,
There's a big nugget there.
is there many more of those in there?
Further over.
Holy frig.
But even with the boulder out of the way, the 140,000-pound machine
Hey, Al?
refuses to budge again.
Boom's not moving, Al. This is dragging with
It
me.
is, eh?
At the mine,
Got a lot of weight there, man. You're looking straight
I know.
down. Right?
I know.
You need to
Just
put it
slow
in the
down,
ground
slow
and dig it,
down,
right?
slow down. I've been doing this 30
I
years,
know, but
okay?
I've been at it a long time too.
Al's excavator recovery has bogged down again.
I assured the customer I gotta get that machine out. I want to make sure the job's done right.
What we'll do is we'll ratchet strap that drum onto the back of the boom and then open that line up and just let the oil go into the barrel.
If the boom arm's hydraulic fluid can be drained, it will release the pressure and should allow the bucket to move.
Pick her up! There you go, yeah. No, don't.
It was a close call for the dozer.
It was a little iffy there for a minute.
You had me scared for a second.
Good.
I think we got her.
Al's battle with a Goliath
What's that?
is another one for the books.
That was a major job. Well, luckily, the machine was saved and the mechanic was able to fix it.